Gator Pit of Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. This is Rich Robin. I'm the owner of Gator Pit. I'm going to walk you through this 2448 with an upright, customized based on what the customer said he wanted and liked. This is what I designed for him, and this is what we're shipping out to him to Mississippi. This is Mr. Jason Jones's Gator Pit. This is what he wanted, and this is what we designed and built. Again, we got a 24 by 48 single door main chamber with 3 Texas red, white, and blue artwork. It does have 3 commercial gauges. We took those off because we're fixing to ship this. We've got a 24 by 36 tall vertical box with some Texas artwork on it with upper and lower gauges. Inside you got 4 sliding food trays in the upright, 2 sliding food trays in the main chamber. We've got a full length drop down 14-inch deep 304 brushed stainless steel front shelf. It's in the fold down position right now. It does lock up in place in upward position with those 3 heavy duty 1/2-inch T-handles that you see, those swing arms. They actually swing up and lock it in place. We've got heavy duty D-rings to strap this to the trailer floor or truck, however it's going to be transported, either obviously during his shipment or also by the customer if he's taking this somewhere. Counterweighted door, fully flanged welded seams on the doors, no leaks, no heat loss. We've got a 1/2-inch thick 24 by 24 square firebox. It's got the 3 amigos or the 3 cowboys painted silver on there. We've got a stainless steel griddle top. The top of this firebox actually has a griddle built into it, and I'll show you that right here. Here's our stainless steel top with our Gator etching in it, 304 brushed stainless. There's the griddle top. You can see the grease spout or drain here. It actually has a way to hang a cup on here so that your grease actually drains into this, into a cup that suspends on the bottom of it. And it does have a mechanism on here that allows the cup to attach and hang as long as the cup has a little handle on it. The firebox, 1/2-inch thick door, flanged as well. We have a Texas slide vent right there. I don't want to mess with it because they're blocking it now for shipping, as you can see. We do everything we can to minimize the damage on this. We've got over here gas assist, a protective plate over that, and some more Texas artwork. We've got ash rake and fire poker that actually stores and hangs in place here on the back. We've got our lower storage rack or log rack. We've got our heavy duty commercial 8-inch casters with the foot brakes on them. Sidewall, the vertical. We've got an extra access door. Inside there is a sliding or removable 1/4-inch thick fire grate. So if this customer wanted to use this for grilling, he has the ability to do that. You got the dual birdhouse stacks. We've got probe ports. We've got a monitor mount. Gator etching. Back to the birdhouse again. Gator's signature birdhouse stacks. You see that? You know it's a Gator Pit. Stainless steel cool touch handles on all of your doors. Inside here, let me open this up. We've got 1/4-inch thick box, 24 by 24 by 36 tall, 4 sliding meat racks. These racks are interchangeable. We only put the tab on the bottom. We don't put them on the upper racks because you don't need that tab there. You do need it on the bottom rack because you can't get your fingers under there to slide it. So you're gonna have something to grab. These are easy to slide. The angle itself works as a tab. We've got sausage hangers. You pull that top rack out, you lay these sausage hangers in there like that, and now you can hang ropes of sausage and cold smoke your own sausage. Flanged doors on the inside. Again, flanged here, flanged on the doors. Gator Pit's known for no heat loss, no smoke loss. It's because of the way we design our pits. Inside, let's look inside this big boy. Sliding food trays, uppers and lowers. There's those gauges. You got 6 of them right there. I'm sorry, 5 of them. 3 for the main chamber, 2 for the vertical box. There's ash rake and fire poker. We put those in there for storage. We have tuning plates. Check this out. You wonder why this pit has 2 stacks? Actually 3 stacks. You have 2 on the upright, 1 on the main chamber. We baffle this out so you can actually open and close this vertical box. If you don't want to use that vertical box, shut it off. Open that stack. Now you just have to heat this area up and cook on this area. If you need more cooking capacity, then you can open this up and put meat in that vertical and get your heat and all that over there and cook over there as well. Again, slide vents. Check them out. Diamond slides in there. Gator Pit quality, Gator Pit design, guys. I'm Rich Robin, Gator Pit of Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. Call me, let me know what we can do for you. See ya.